Take a look at this 2022 Jayco Redhawk 31F, a family-friendly Class C built on the Ford E450 chassis with a powerful 7.3-liter V8. Paired with Jayco's JRide handling package, this coach delivers a smooth, confident drive whether you're cruising highways or heading into the mountains. As we walk up, you'll notice the one-piece fiberglass front cap, sleek frameless windows, and an electric awning with LED lighting that really extends your outdoor living space. This coach is equipped with an Onan 4,000-watt generator, roof-mounted solar, Starlink internet, heated holding tanks, and everything you need for both campground stays and off-grid travel. Stepping inside, the bunkhouse floor plan immediately stands out. This coach can sleep up to 10 with double bunks, a cab over bed, and a convertible dinette. The living area feels open with tall ceilings, hardwood cabinetry, and plenty of storage throughout. You've also got a smart TV, Sony infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Garmin RV navigation to make every trip easier. Moving back, the private bedroom features a comfortable Brooklyn bedding queen mattress, along with large wardrobes for extended stays. The full bathroom includes a skylight shower and a gas and electric water heater, giving you flexibility wherever you travel. To finish it off, this Redhawk is road-ready with newer tires and batteries, strong towing capability up to 7,500 pounds, and even the option for a fully equipped tow vehicle setup. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.